Kuona igoti nĩ rĩarũgamirie gutabanio kwa mathomo ma arutani marĩa matabanagio nĩ TSC ĩroneka gũthiĩ mũgarũ na itua rĩa igoti amu nĩ ĩbangĩte gũthomithia arutani mweri wa ĩna mwaka ũyũ, ũndũ ũrĩa Sossion augĩte ĩramatabania mũgarũ na watho gũkũ agĩũkĩrĩra yunivasĩtĩ iria irathomithia gĩthomo gĩkĩ.
That despite the High Court order and ruling of the Employment and Labour Court of 12 of July 2019, Teacher Service Commission has set in motion the process of rolling out the illegal Teacher Professional Development Program. The Commission, in defiance of the law, has again unilaterally contracted 4 educational institutions.
Atongoria aya a KNUT maugĩte matigwĩtĩkĩria arutani marĩhĩre gĩthomo kĩrĩa marathwo nĩ TSC mathome, makiuga ũguo nĩ mũgarũ wa watho na ta Kiama gĩa gutetera arutani matiakuruhanirio itua rĩrĩ rĩgĩkinyanĩrio nĩ TSC.
So there is no way the employer can make unilateral decisions about teachers' working conditions. Certainly those should be arrived at through genuine dialogue with the leadership of Kenya National Union of Teachers as well as other teacher organizations in Kenya.
Teacher professional development modules can only be implemented after the Commission complies with the provisions of Statutory Instrument Act of 2013, and that is developing regulations that must be taken through public participation and approved by Parliament.
Kiama kĩa KNUT kiugĩte gĩthomo gĩkĩ nĩ gĩkũharagania mĩrutĩre ya wĩra ya arutani, rĩu makiuga marenda kĩhoto kĩao wĩra-inĩ gĩthingatwo nĩguo mahote kũruta wĩra hatarĩ thĩna o wothe.
The union strongly feels that the teacher professional development programs will alter the terms and conditions of service for our members as they are currently outlined by the Teacher Service Commission. Hence, KNUT should be engaged fully prior to rolling out of the TPD programs.
Rĩu atongoria mahete ministry ya githomo na ministry ya uruti wĩra thikũ mũgwanja igĩe na gĩikaro na kiama kĩa KNUT na TSC nĩguo gũtuithania ndugamano ĩrĩa ĩho.
So we have spoken and we have given 7 days. Act within 7 days. You don't act within 7 days, don't be cheated. KNUT is united right from here to the grassroots and to the staff room.